In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to add fonts in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch fonts on your text layers and fine-tune the look and feel using the typography controls in the right-hand panel. First, head over to Figma and open the file you want to work on. This can be any design, web, mobile, or a community template you've duplicated. Make sure you're in the Design tab so the Properties panel appears on the right. If you're using the desktop app, everything will look the same. The controls we're using are available in both the browser and desktop versions. Next, select the text you want to change. Click the text layer once to select the whole object, or double-click to place your cursor inside and highlight just part of the text. Selecting the entire layer changes the font for all of it. Selecting specific words lets you mix fonts or styles inside one text box. If you're unsure what's selected, glance at the Layers panel on the left or look for the blue bounding box around your text. With the text selected, look to the right-hand Properties panel and find the Typography section. You'll see the current font, family, style, or weight, font size, and other controls grouped there. If you don't see typography, confirm you're on the Design tab and that a text layer is truly selected, not a frame or a group. Open the Font Family drop-down to Browse and pick a new typeface. You can scroll through the list or type to search by name. As you choose different options, Figma updates your canvas instantly so you can preview the result in context. You'll typically see available weights like regular, medium, or bold right next to the font family. If a font you expect isn't showing, it may not be installed on your device, or it might require the Figma Font Helper for desktop access. Also, watch for missing font warnings at the top of the panel when opening shared files. Beyond choosing the font, refine your text using the other settings in typography. Adjust size to match hierarchy, then set line height for readability. Around 120% to 150% is a good starting point for paragraphs. Tweak letter spacing for compact buttons or airy headlines. Use paragraph spacing to control gaps between blocks of text, and alignment to set left, center, right, or justified. If your font offers multiple weights or italics, pick the style that supports contrast without hurting legibility. And that's it. Open your file, select the text, choose the font in typography, and polish with size, line height, spacing, and alignment. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.